So over here you can see that I have a bunch of clips, and you may want to select out the clips in different ways. In that case, what you can do is you can go around onto the timeline menu right here. So once you go around onto the timeline, you can see that you have an option to select out clips in different ways. And one of them is by using the selection option right here. Let's say this is the timeline cursor right here, and let's keep it here. And if I were to go around over here on the timeline menu, and then if I were to go around on to select clip backwards, then here you can see that I can select clip backwards on a particular track or on all tracks. So if I were to go around and say select clips backward on this track, then what happens is that particular clips for that particular track will be selected, as you can see right here. But the tracks above it are not selected right here. If I were to go around over here on the timeline, and if I were to go to select clip backwards, then you can go around onto, let's say, select clip backwards on all of the tracks over here as well. So once you do that, all of the tracks, which is besides this particular timeline cursor, is selected, as you can see right here. If I were to go around over here onto, let's say, for example, select clip forward on this track, then all of the clips forward to this is selected just like this. You can go around and then select out, let's say, for example, tracks with certain flag colors right here, but there's no flag colors applied onto this. But here you can see you can select it as per the marker color as well. But we do have clip color applied, so let's just go around and say select out all clips with orange right there. And now you can see that the orange clips has been selected. Similarly, if you have markers and if you have different flags right here, then we can select it on the basis of that as well. But let's go around with the clip color over here. And if we were to go around onto the clip color, we can go around and let's say I'm going to select green right here, then all of the green clips will be selected. So that is how you can go around and select out the clips based on different properties inside of Davinci Resolve. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.